Okay, so this is the time where we can relax, sit back. Hi guys, welcome back to the microscopic series. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. Now for today's video, I want to test out how do these activated peel off masks work and if they work. So I don't have much in this video. I'm just gonna show you my skin before applying this, when I do apply this, and definitely while peeling this off. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so let's dive right in. So this is my nose. Wow, that's so nasty. Ew. And I mean, oh my god, what is that? Ew. Can you see how oily my nose is? Oh my goodness. Are these all the whiteheads that I have? Yo, I should definitely do something about the facial hair on my nose because that's nasty. So I definitely have a lot of whiteheads over here, right on the bridge of my nose. Okay, so I think we have got a clear picture of how my nose looks like. Now, let's go ahead, apply this mask and see what it actually does and if it does anything. I mean, I should have totally taken steam or done something. But you know, I just want to find out if it does anything at all. I mean, of course, you can maximize the way it works or optimize the way it works by just using a little bit of hot water or steaming or taking steam. That way, this is definitely going to work a lot better. Okay, so this is the time where I can just relax, sit back, and I'll be back when all of this dries down. Okay, so I'm back and this seems to have completely dried down. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. I surely did a horrible job at that because I'm sure you couldn't see anything, but let's just have like a microscopic zoom in of the chin portion and let's see if we can see anything. You, what is that? Okay, I can never tell if it's actually whitehead. What is that? What is that? I mean, I can never tell if it's whitehead or my peach fuzz that comes out. Okay, I mean, something definitely did come out of the chin portion. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna try once more while I'm removing this just to see if we can get a microscopic picture. Okay. Ooh, I don't know what that is. Ooh. Oh my god, I mean, I don't know what it's removing, but it's definitely removing something. What is it removing though? Ew, I think that's all the sebum and just gunk. Okay, yeah, it definitely failed to remove that whitehead over there. But I'm sure if I go with my whitehead removing tool, I can definitely get it out. My conclusion on a product like this would be that it definitely helps in clearing. Wow, my nose skin feels so smooth and just baby soft right now. But I mean, it does not necessarily get rid of the whiteheads though, so it's definitely something which you'll have to go with your whitehead removing tool and then just get rid of it. But it does clear out the congestion and the gunk in your skin. So it works, but it also kind of does not work. That's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.